Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I received this message from one of my viewers. He asked me that he have a welding machine that is composed of 12 MOSFETs, that is 18 and 50. Out of 12, 4 MOSFETs are burned out. So he asked me, can he use 20 and 60 to replace the 4 burned out, or he have to replace the 12? So let's discuss. First of all, go to alltransistors.com, 18 and 50. You can go to alldatasheet.com or any place. So this place is easy for cross matching. So 18 and 50. It is in MOSFET section. Generic number 18 and 50, 50 and different manufacturers, but the generic number is same, 18 and 50. So here it is, its data. And if we see here, it is data sheet 18 and 50. When we see data for any MOSFET, we see the channel and channel wattage, our dissipation 277 watt, 500 volt, 18 ampere regular current, maximum drain to source current, and VGS gate to source voltage 30 volt. Basic key point parameter, that is RDS, drain to source on state resistance. When we select a switching device, transistor, MOSFET, IGBT, we have to consider this parameter. Datasheet, you can download it, 20 and 60. It is 20 ampere 600 volt, that is 18 ampere 500 volt. Datasheet from manufacturer, it shows the complete data. We have 18 and 50. Here it says 18 ampere 500 volt, RDS is 0.265 ohms, and if we compare with 20 and 60, that is 0.45 ohm. Too much difference, 0.265 and 0.45. It is approximately the double, just only 2 ampere difference. Here we will receive 20 ampere, but the junction resistance will increase. How it will affect on the circuit? Now moving forward on the same point, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and if you want to watch my videos in future, press bell icon button. We have 6 MOSFETs in parallel. The original one, 18 and 50, that is 0.265 ohm resistance, RDS, resistance drain to source on state resistance. When it will turn on, the current will flow parallel and it will equal, so that there will no more load on any device. But if we replace with 0.45 ohm, logically the current selects the easiest path. Easiest path, that is 0.265 ohm. This is high resistance, so when resistance is high, it will resist to flow the current. When it will resist, so it will dissipate more power. Why? Because I square R. How much current will flow, and it will apply resistance, so it will dissipate power. First of all, the switching power loss will increase, so power dissipation will increase, efficiency of the machine will decrease. Second thing, we installed 4 devices in parallel, 4 components in parallel, and 2 components have less resistance. Resultant, there will an excessive current flow from these 2 devices with compared to these. Its maximum ampere rate is 18 ampere, but these MOSFETs are opposing to flow of current. In that case, these components will overheat due to overcurrent, and these will be damaged. These will dissipate power, these will damage due to excessive current. So in every case, if we want to replace, we have to replace the complete set. We cannot make imbalancing between the set, because when there will imbalance in the set, it will make, first of all, power dissipation. The second thing, imbalance current flow, that will damage the component and it will reduce the efficiency of the machine. Now what we can do, we have 18 and 50. We have to select best cross match, and we want to replace just 4 components. What we will do, we have to cross match the resistance exactly. How we can? Just go to equivalent. So here is a complete cross match. So here is 18 and 50. It is 0.24, 0.24 to 26. That is approximately equal. So 18 and 50 and 2SK 1681. These are the equivalent. 0.23, 0.24 ohms. That is equivalent. So here the current is 30 ampere. So that's sufficient. That's good. So 2SK 1681, we can select it. Then we can select the same range 20 and 50. Our friend selected 20 and 60. So 20 and 60 have more RDS 0.45, but if we select 20 and 50, that is the same resistance approximately. 24 and 60, that is same resistance, and 22 and 50, 26 and 50, 30 and 60, and we can select 23 and 50. That is approximately near to our required value. So friends, I hope so this video is informative for you. If it is informative, give a thumb up, and if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. And if you want to watch my video in future, press bell icon button. And if you have any question, any suggestion, kindly let me know in the comment box. I will thankful. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.